James Pearce Jr. had 10.5 sacks this season. Let's review each one of these and grade them on a 0 to 3 scale, 0 being a coverage sack and 3 being an all-pro play. Pearce's first sack of the season comes versus the Colts. So trying to set up a screen pass to the opposite side. Pearce goes unblocked, but he forces a fumble right here. This would normally be a 0, but I'm going to give it a 2 because of the forced fumble. A 10+ sack season as a rookie is exceptional. Pearce is down here working his hands to the bottom of our screen. He gets to Bryce Young. This is another very solid play. I'm going to give this one a 2. There's some confusion up front for the Atlanta Falcons. James Pearce Jr. is lined up in the wrong spot. He barely gets aligned to time. He lines up right here, but then he just wrecks havoc and dominates the right side of the Saints offensive line. This is a 3. This is a dominant play out of James Pearce. In the draft process, they wanted to talk about other things besides production for Pearce, but this is one of those plays where he lines up and he knows how to get to the quarterback. This guy is physical, he's violent, and he is fast. So far for Pearce, we've seen him be violent and physical. We've seen him use his hands on a sack. Now we're going to see some finesse right here. Look at this spin move he puts on the right tackle and gets a Tyrod Taylor. This is a 3. This is an all-pro play. Watching plays like this really makes you realize this was such a good draft pick for this Falcons team. Watch this bull rush into the sack of Sam Darnold. It almost goes for a safety, but it's a dominant pass rush win. I'm going to have to give this one another 3.